You can do whatever you want.
2,
I'm just gonna walk around.
1, go, 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 go. Alright, let's get there here. 1B, 2B3s. Well, third joining the squad. You're gonna be on blue team. Yeah, you're gonna be on blue team, not that side. Alright, looks like 3v3s now. Alright, the dual kit is serving good. But he will run out of ammo eventually. Wait till you have to do reloads, my guy. Hopefully it lasts through the whole. Sound like a fucking rabbit animal. Oh! In the hand! Alright, that's doing it.
What team do you want me on?
Yeah.
What team do you want
You
me
already
on?
started the game.
So?
Yeah. You're gonna be on red team.
What?
Are you? Yeah, you're gonna be on. Yeah, you're gonna be on red. Red team is over here. I think. Yeah, it's over there. Alright, red team, you guys got an extra member.
Yep.
Alright. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. Aww. Ooh. Unsuspected. Two minutes left. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. This is interesting. That seems like a Board in the house. Board in the house. Board in the house. Board in the house. Who's ready for some station?
Oh, sorry.
Woo! The corner camping strat. Hated, but very, very useful. Pick it up. Okay. Whoa. Where's the speed stopper? Almost hit my feet. 1 minute left. Make your pushes. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Make your pushes. Woo-hoo! Aw, you almost had him. That was a good run though. Good run. Quickly, feet light on your feet. Go, 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 go. You guys got 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Oh my god.
Red team, feet light on your feet.
I got it.
That beat team did. That beat team did on the feet. Aw, how did you not hit him? How? He's right there.
I saw your light in the track.
Yeah, I saw you too.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's game, that's game. Hold your fire, switch sides, switch sides, switch sides. That was a good run, y'all. Love to see it. Love to see it. Red team, you got to be faster on your feet. Some of y'all. You guys got to be a little lighter on your feet. That's okay though. No one's perfect the first time. Alrighty, we're about to start. In 5, get to your positions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Hey, your shoelaces are on time, my guy. Find yourself forward, your shoelaces are on time, my guy. I want you triple. Into the kill round, he goes.
Hello.
Into the kill round. Alrighty, coach, come on, let's do this.
Oh, that's not good.
There you go. Check your corner. There you go. Almost got him. Oh, this is interesting. Slow but anything, fast but mighty. Are you okay? Alright. Yeah, you guys good? Hey, yo, the Jordans are on time, my guy. Are those Jordans? Yeah, you guys' laces are a bit untied. Alright, let's do this. Whoa. That looks like it didn't feel good. Oh yeah. He's zooming, booming, rooting, tooting, and shooting. Alright, y'all, you got about, let's see here. Come on, wait for it, wait for it. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, I forgot so much about it.
Oh. I didn't feel anything here.
We good.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait. Right there. You got the shot. Watch out. Make sure you're not full auto, my guy. Alright, perfect. Oh, this is an unfortunate event. His pistols were malfunctioned. Yep. That's why you run one gun and 2 mags. He's zooming. He immediately said no. Right, you need to push out. Right into his butthouse. 1 minute left. 1 minute. Make your pushes. Make your pushes. Get crazy.
I don't want to
Make your pushes. Make your pushes. This thing's gonna get cranked up, y'all. We got about. Wait for it. Wait for it. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. You good? Yep. That was weird.
No, I saw that. I saw that.
I'm shooting, I just checked my gun.
Yeah, you shot me. That was funny.
If you wasn't sure, I'll call it a parlay.
I think I'm gonna call it a game right there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man.
I think that's what I call the line.
That was a little bit goofy. Alright, this game's about to end in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright. 2 5-minute rounds on the clock. Red team, are you ready? Alright. How about you guys, blue team?
I'm better than your team, Chris.
Alright.
Jeremy.
Okay.
3, 2,
I'm walking.
1, go! We're taking speed side by an absolute rush. Auto shots ringing out. Nobody's found Frank yet, though. He's hitting one out. There's the foam again. Okay. Oh, some player found him. Red team has Frank. They're hanging on to Frank right now. He's hit one out. Good double tap, Angela. Hope you guys like the red versus blue soundtrack. It's very fitting. We're playing a Halo-based game with red versus blue soundtrack behind it. There you go. I'm sorry. I caught you monologuing. That one hit hard, Loki. Holy shit. What did you say, Angela? I know it's not safe. It's fun. Oh, shit. Oh, it's insane. Okay. Yeah, you like it, huh? That's what I was showing you on Wednesday. Red team, do you guys still have Frank? Yes, they do. Red team still, in fact, does have Frank. Oh, reverse plane. Okay, good. Next round will be the solo will come in next round. Please hit one out. Just do me a favor, make sure you guys are not shooting into their spawn, as most of the red team is kind of soaked up in their spawn right now. Please hit one out. Whoa! Frank is dropped! Red team no longer has Frank. Red team has Frank. Frank is in red team's position currently, or possession. Look at your tracer's almost dead. What's up? You're out? Not feeding? Okay. We got a player who's walking out. He's the big guy. Please don't shoot him. Papa Frank is walking out right now. Please don't shoot him. Yeah, he's all good. His gun just isn't feeding. We got a big guy walking out right now. Please don't shoot him. The big guy in the orange beanie. Don't shoot him, please.
Well, get out of your spawn!
Chris, leave him alone.
I'm trying to get Frank, man.
No, be a nice boy.
Okay, fine.
Be nice, Fred. He said, let him out. You 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 said, let him out. I heard grenade, but I saw a chicken. This is a 5 on 8. Or no, 5 on 7, I'm sorry. Wait, no, 5 on 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm right. Time left, only about 48 seconds left. He's in, one out.
Bye-bye.
Red team still has Frank in their possession. Fifteen seconds.
Oh, sorry. What?
I said nice sweep.
This game is over. In 5, 4,
That's GG.
3, 2, 1. That's the round, that's the round, that's the round. And Red Team takes the victory with Frank in their
Bro, that
hand.
was a hell of a good sweep.
Alright, you guys swap sides, swap sides. You don't mind, may I have Frank, please? Thank you. Alright, I'll go buy Frank somewhere. You got the entire round.
What?
I said I was just chilling in that chair.
Yeah.
And that was pretty comfy, I can't lie. I didn't know that's like... Whoa. Hello.
Alright, we're getting close to the Freebird solo. I'm not missing out on it while you guys play the game. Hang on, I'm getting back on my rep jar. You're behind those yellow lines. I want to make it for the Freebird solo.
Go, go, go. You can do it. Go, go. Oh, bye-bye.
You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Sorry, sorry.
Safe question, Logan. You're too tall. Watch out.
Sorry, sorry.
Oh, blue team is really close to Frank. Oh, but he died. Red team seems like they know where he's at. Oh, he gets hit on the way. Blue team defends Frank. They're in the Freebird. Well, we got a red team player in the back line of blue.
Oh, sorry.
He's making up for it. Oh, he's hit one out. He's hit one out. Frank has yet to be taken. He's hit one out. He's hit one out. Oh, you get team shot again? Oh, Echo goes for a sweep. Gets a Frank. Go get
They did.
Frank. Just get out there. Go get Frank. You're really close to him. That's your teammate. Oh, he said, oh, good run on Angelo. He said, let him out, let him out. His hand is up. Red team pushing up very far into Speed Alley. But there's a CD blue player, double kill. Good job, Tess. She's able to round, she's going to respawn. She's back in the fight. Blue team's close. Oh, Roman gets team shot. There he is. There's Frank. Frank has been grabbed by blue team. Oh, that's a fiddler out. Fabian going on a tear. She's already hit. Watch that rate of fire, please. Lots of shots ringing out. Red team coming in hard. Make sure you're not shooting blue team in their spawn, please. Blue team does have Frank in their possession. Double kill from Tess. Did she make her trouble? Ooh, but Charles covers her. Red player coming out quick. He's hit him out. Red team, the blue team drops Frank. Don't think of blue team. Angelo's on him. There he is. Frank is acquired by blue team. With only 2 minutes on the clock, looks like blue team might be able to take this one home. Blue team's got Frank. Gentle pass off to a teammate. Watch out, Charles. Oh, there he goes out! Did he go off or was that a teammate? Oh no, the green was done. That's not good. Ooh, red team's coming in hot.
Left side, left side.
He said, let him out. He said, let him out. Tess, don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. Tess, don't take it. Tess. Don't take a stand. I just hear Fabian laughing like a maniac. Minute left. I think blue team still has Frank in there. Lots of shots. He said, let him out. Watch that rate of fire. It only does take one at the end of the day. Let him out. Let him out. Where are you going, Charles? Oh, he's gonna get his ring. Fabian does a good sneaker around and gets a double kill. Can you tell Frank looking? I think Frank has been dropped by blue team with only 30 seconds to go. Currently, blue team is in the lead this round. Let's see if they can find him. Oh, blue team's close. Blue team making a big run. With Frank in hand. He said, let him out. I'll throw it fire, please. He said, let him out. He said, let him out. Lots of shots. Red team gets cleared out of Speed Alley right now with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the round. That's the round. That's the round.
Oh, sorry.
That one didn't hurt his back, so I'm like, okay with it.
There it is. Okay. You know what? Fuck you guys. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Do you want to play or no?
I'm going to scoot over there and stay there.
Your objectives survive. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'll go with you.
Holy shit, these are not bad. He's hit, let him out. Double kill. Lots of shots coming out.
Excuse me.
Lots of shots right now. He's hit, let him out. Hey, he's coming! Oh, he's hit, let him out.
I guess I'll go out too.
Sorry, Tess.
Only 45 seconds on the clock. In fact, you guys need to play a little faster. There's still quite a few survivors left. Logan heard me say play faster. No other words needed. Ooh, Angelo's doing the snappy king. Look at him. No. Only when you're starting it better. This round is over. 9, 8, 7,
Chris, I don't want to hit you in the top of the head.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the round, that's the round, that's the round. Are there any survivors left? Oh, we got one survivor left! The survivors win this round. He did get shot at the last minute. Alright. I'm gonna send Tess and Chris. Maybe next time, Charles. Green. What's my one card? Green. Green. Oh, we got panic music on. Fabian, by the way, Micah's back. No, you're fine. You're fine. Oh, okay. Here's the thing, I'm just letting you know Micah's back.
What?
Alright.
Go respawn over there. Change yourself to green.
Wait, what?
Go green and go back over there.
Yeah, you tell him, Chris.
Hang on.
Which way do you want to go?
I'll go this way.
Hang on.
Okay, I'll do this.
Alright. Now we got our survivors. Alright, you guys ready? Zombies, are you guys ready?
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Good. Zombies, remember, you can start a little bit up the way on the map. You don't have to be all the way back there. Alright. Let's get this game going live. In 3, 2, 1, go! 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. He's hit. Oh, the big trio getting killed right off the bat. Dead man walking out, let him out. Lots of shots, I heard her get hit. Let her out. All the zombies are hit currently. Let her out.
That's the second time. What a great idea. What a great idea. Just bunch it all together into one target. Watch your corner. Ow, what the? Wait, are you bleeding? Oh my, your head! I hit my elbow and my ear. Okay. Oh man.
Uh-oh. Minute 30 on the clock. Screaming.
Raw!
Okay. I guess we got some animals on the field. Only about a minute left for all the survivors to keep surviving. That was a definition of what sound is your ghost. Oh, he's hit. Let him out. He's hit. Let him out. Ow.
Did I miss that? Deal!
Oh, Angel gets kicked in the ass. He's hit. Let him out. Only 40 seconds left. Oh, she said okay.
Sorry!
You can still play it, just don't do it. Oh, there's still survivor left with 20 seconds on the board. Oh, no. Oh, there's still one. There's still one left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. He's a good shot. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Any survivors left? Any survivors left? It does not look like it. Alrighty, guys. Get back to that back wall. We'll start one more. And for this one, I'll send Angelo and Charles. Oh, I just ripped the big.
Hey, check my music. What music is that?
Angelo goes, I heard that.
Huh?
That was some major ass.
I'm trying to get to you guys' spawn. So I could just stand on the back wall and hide my
That's so
light.
smart. Shut up.
Alright, survivors, make sure those light bands are on green, please.
I'm gonna try to do it
Charles
again.
and Angelo.
Don't get my cover.
I'm gonna die.
If you die, let me do it, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
2 minutes and 30 seconds on
I'm
the
gonna
clock.
stand in the spawn with my light up against the wall. I'm not fucking. People are calling me just respawning, taking my time. Let me do it, yeah? What?
I can't do more slice very well.
I just want to see if anybody notices.
I can do it. I have a decent turn at the frog. However, I don't condone
I
violence.
was trying to get there and I thought you wouldn't go the same way on that left side. So over here.
2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock for this final round of infection. Oh, good shots there. Logan gets hit. Wait, are you dead? I think he's dead. Oh, grenade goes out! If you are 5 feet within that grenade with no hard cover, you are dead. That was a good shot. He said, let him out. Remember, you join the infected now. You join the infected now. 2 minutes left. Chris, oh, I was gonna say just stay there as quiet as you can. Yeah, just face the wall. Just face it. Don't even. If you don't move, they won't see you. If you don't move, they won't see you.
I saw the green
Dang it.
flash outside.
A minute 20 on the clock, and it looks like a lot of survivors are still going
Dude, the
down.
breath gave you out. I was not gonna check that.
Somebody dropped the blood. Pop it, Logan, pop it. Oh, good shot. Any survivors left? If you're alive, shoot once. Oh, another shot. Make sure we're not on auto. You're not allowed auto at this field. Make sure we're on semi-automatic. If you're alive, shoot once. She's dead, she's dead. Okay, I think that's the round. We'll call it there. Alright, that's the round. And I think the zombies win this round. Alright. I think we got time to run one more. Why not? I'll send you, your boy, and you. Yep, all 3 of you. Have fun. Alright, we got one more round on us. So survivors go line up against that wall.
I got one guy.
Ray, can you get taller, please?
Huh?
Nothing. One more round.
I'm still outside.
Alright.
Sit down.
You got the group of 3 back there. Alright.
I'm gonna try it again this round.
Get those. Get the lines
Okay,
go line.
get it too.
Go live. This final round of infection. Go live. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, one goes down already. 2 zombies go down already. Oh,
No?
oh, she's hit though. Girl. you pop.
Sorry.
Sorry, I didn't know she got
Okay, great. I could not see that.
Oh, the survivors look like they're fighting back this time. Oh, some are infected. You say what up? Angela, you guys are better with that thing, dude. You're snapshotting these guys. Damn. Look at you go, Angela. God damn. Oh. Only a minute left, and it looks like there's a lot of survivors to go. You said what now? Oh, friendly fire does count. If a survivor shot another, it does count as infecting that person. Oh, Angela, you got lucky. Only 30 seconds left. Only 30 seconds left. $15 seconds.